It says that you are our district winner in the senior category, and that doesn't mean that means in that category.
Oh, I'm proud to be a senior.
Okay,
I'm a young one.
you are, and it says here that it's for you, right? In recognition of your support of public education and dedication to students at New Smyrna Beach High School, and thank you for putting up with Mr. Merrick too for all.
I love my
these
Cuda
years.
family. I love still being connected to them doing this. Absolutely.
And you know what? We were told you don't like to be recognized, but your team chose this.
We're interviewing Mr. Hamilton. In the back of my mind, because I knew Brenda so well, I knew that once we got Mr. Hamilton on the farm, it wouldn't be long before Brenda would follow. So we love you, Mike, but we love you because of you've got Brenda tailing along with you all the time.